Hey, Car Guy back again with another unboxing, sort of. This is a 2001 Indianapolis Grand Prix event car from Minichamps. You will not see me unwrap this out of the outer packaging because the outer packaging was damaged. So I removed the car immediately to see how bad it was. As you can see, there's some damage to the clear polyester window. However, I decided to keep the car. I store these in the box, but I won't be displaying it that way. So for the time being, this is fine because eventually it will be out of the box and in a proper display case. And that little crease there won't be bothering me anymore. I love these cars. I'm an Indianapolis nerd. I've been by the Speedway. I've never been to a race, unfortunately. But these cars strike a nice balance between very Americana, Indianapolis, Formula One, and just all bringing it all together with the diecast that I love. Not real crazy about the groove tire era, but it is what it is. And of course, here's the back matter on the box from Paul's Model Art. Minichamps being a German company with Chinese manufacturer, and the disclaimers from the various F1 organizations on the back saying that they've licensed this product. And it's a good looking car, the 2001 Indianapolis Grand Prix event car. Thanks.